For what?
For my birthday.
Oh, good.
Yay! Wildan, your presents.
Birthday on time. You got all the toys for my birthday.
Yes.
2, 3. Oh. Thank you for making me 5 years old. Thanks for watching. Bye.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन, हाउ आर यू ऑल? वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब? आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग ग्रेट। विल्दान का बर्थडे है, बट दुख की बात यह है कि हम सेलिब्रेट नहीं कर रहे हैं क्योंकि विल्दान इज़ नॉट फीलिंग वेल एंटीबायोटिक्स पे है। बट अब मैं सोच रही हूँ कि इसको मैं आईवी लगवा लूँ। सो अभी हम लोग जिस हॉस्पिटल ही जा रहे हैं। आई जस्ट गॉट रेडी और मैंने कहा रास्ते में हम इसका केक वगैरह और सेलिब्रेशन की चीज़ें भी लेके आ जाएंगे ताकि थोड़ा सा खुश भी हो जाए, थोड़ा बेटर फील करे। सो विल्दान का जिस दिन बर्थडे होता है मैं बहुत ज़्यादा इमोशनल होती हूँ। आई डोंट नो व्हाई। यार कितना जल्दी टाइम गुजर गया ना। मैं कभी कभार सोचती हूँ कितना, मतलब ऐसा लगता है कि कुछ ही दिनों पहले मुझे जस्ट पता चला था विल्दान का। एंड आज विल्दान इज़ 5 माशाल्लाह, 5 years old. Can see you in the mirror. Hi Wildan. Happy birthday Wildan.
I'm going on my birthday. I'm going on my birthday.
No, we are not going on your birthday.
Then why are you saying happy birthday to me?
Because it's your birthday.
Then why are you saying it is not your birthday?
It is your birthday, but we will celebrate later. Okay?
Okay, bye. Thanks for watching. Bye. Bye, Wolf.
You know you're 5 today. You know you're 5 years old now. Yes.
Thanks for watching. Thank you for making me 5 years old. Thanks for watching. Bye.
विल्दान को ना एक्चुअली ये देखिए, ये स्किन एलर्जी हो रही है और उसके साथ साथ इसको यहाँ पे एक वूंड भी हो गया है।
No doctor.
नो डॉक्टर बाबा।
We're not going to doctor. We're going to see sheep and cow. You forgot? You asked me to want to watch cows and goats and bighorn cows. We're going there.
Mama saying we're going in hospital.
She's tricking you. And you're doing drama. Look, you're laughing. Drama? You're doing drama all the times?
Yes.
Yes. You're doing drama all the times?
Oh.
What?
Mama said you're not getting sick, so you. Oh.
No, come let's go. Wildan, are you okay?
Oh, I can see more.
You're not going to the doctor. Take some rest. Okay. Please.
I don't want to go to doctor.
Okay. We are not going. Okay. Sleep. Okay. So he's sleeping. विल्दान की ये बर्थडे एक्चुअली बहुत ज़्यादा ही अजीब गुजर रही है हमारी और एक टेंशन में गुजर रही है। वरना हमेशा हर बर्थडे पे हम लोग बड़े हैप्पी होते हैं, बट ये वाली बर्थडे थोड़ी सी हमारी मुश्किल में गुजर रही है क्योंकि विल्दान इज़ नॉट फीलिंग वेल। इंशाल्लाह ही विल बी ऑल राइट सून। इंशाल्लाह। इतना ज़्यादा ट्रैफिक हो रहा है आज, क्यों मेहरान?
ये शाम का टाइम है ना।
It's 6:59 और हम लोग घर से कब के निकले हुए हैं?
टाइम हो
काफ़ी टाइम हो गया।
He's saying what present you want. He's just asking that. My guys, you're sleeping na, that's why. Just sleep here. Fever नहीं हो रहा है।
फीवर भी हो रहा है, खून भी हो रहा है। चलो चेक करा लो।
Okay, just lie down. Just lie down.
Wildan, you want to eat something?
Hussain mom is not a doctor.
I'm not a doctor.
He's a painter. He's
Yes.
fixing the walls.
Doctor, oh God, don't be scared.
Look at that.
Look, they will check me only. Because I think they said they will give me a sanitizer here and
Yes.
here. And they will clean with tissue. So where is your thing? You don't have anything, but I have this, see?
I don't know, अचानक से इसको क्या हुआ, कहाँ से ये बूंद हुआ, एंड उसके साथ तो फिर से बुखार भी हो गया, उसके साथ एलर्जी भी हो गई एक साथ, पता नहीं क्यों नज़र लग गई क्या हो गया। सो एनीवेज अभी उसे अंदर लेके गए क्योंकि हमारे सामने कुछ करने नहीं दे रहा। आईवीज़ होनी है उसकी, बैंडेज वगैरह करेंगे, ड्रेसिंग वगैरह करेंगे।
Done! Yay! Give me 5. Give me 5. Thank you. क्लेफरन जो है वो सुबह शाम देना है और स्ट्रिक्टली फॉर 5 to 7 days क्योंकि इसका बहुत ज़्यादा ख़राब हो रहा है सेप्टिक आर्थराइटिस। हाँ ये बहुत ज़्यादा कॉमन होता है बच्चों में, लेकिन अगर नहीं गए पूरा ख़राब।
You want to open this Kinder egg? Angry boy. What is this?
Injection. Injection.
Injection. You're not scared now? Because my baby is a very brave boy.
I want Spider-Man balloon.
You want Spider-Man balloon? Close your eyes. Don't open. Oh, feel good now?
Yes.
Are you feeling good now?
Yes, Mama, maybe let us float.
Yay!
What?
What?
Wow, Wildan. Say thank you
That.
again.
Say thank you. Hi. Look here, guys. Now eat. Take one bite. Do it. Well done. See, where are we?
Season
For what?
for toys.
To buy your?
My present because I vote.
Because it's your birthday. अभी हम लोग आ गए हैं विल्दान का प्रेजेंट लेने के लिए और यहाँ पे थोड़ी सी डेकोर की चीजें, बलून वगैरह लेके हम घर जाएंगे और फिर अच्छा सा डेकोर करेंगे, विल्दान की बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट करेंगे। ये वाह, see so many toys.
I have Spider-Man.
Yes. So Wildan is here to buy his birthday present. You have to choose one thing, okay?
I have to.
Go choose one thing.
I have
Good
to.
or bad?
I have to find a special thing.
Yes, you have to find a special thing for your birthday. Oh my god! Yes.
Mama, I want to check these ones. What are these? Have a mouse. This is made about. Oh, this is a Play-Doh box.
Yeah, you forgot?
Yes. Baba, look, a little baby shark. What? It's a big gun.
It's a big one.
The toy for my birthday. We'll buy all the toys for my birthday.
Yes.
I'll choose this toy. All the toys which I want, okay?
Yes.
I think I would get.
This is not a toy section.
I always want a book. I want to see some books.
Okay. Zabardast.
This one.
What a change.
I'll buy these ones.
Urdu books?
Yes. Always want this.
You always wanted this?
Yes, Wildan. We saw this in a video.
Yes, we have. Can I buy it, Mama?
Which one?
This one. Very cool.
Okay.
Okay, we will buy this. Which color balloon you want?
Hey, Mama.
We'll get this one. So ये ले लेते हैं, इसमें काफी कलरफुल से हैं.
There's so many to choose.
Yes, it's a toy heaven.
Mama, you want to see something cool? Come. Follow me.
Okay.
Look. What is this?
What is that?
I don't know.
It's so cool.
I always want to get this.
Same.
Because it's my birthday, please.
Because it's your birthday.
Yes, please. Can I have it, Mama?
Oh, cute bear लग रहा है. How much is it for? It's for 18,000. 18,000.
The cool thing. You see, it has got water inside too, Baba. We put
Promise?
water and will come water from here.
Baba promise I'll get one more toy.
No.
Okay, I'm not getting this. I'll buy a very nice toy like I like.
Okay.
Okay.
You can get this one too.
Yes, that is my birthday gift. Get this one. Baba, it's my birthday. Can I please get?
What?
What is this?
It's a robot car.
Wildan, you remember you wanted that?
Oh, Baba, this what? We can get this for spraying you. I will spray you. One of this too.
Okay. Use 3, then we will do any, mini, miny, mo.
Any, miny, mo. Catch a tiger in the sled. Any, miny, mo.
No, you cheated.
I always wanted this. Is very good.
It's a fishing game.
I like fishing games.
Or you want water one or this one?
This one.
Baba, it has water also.
See, it has water. We will put water in it. See?
I like this one.
My God, it will splash also.
This
Yes.
fresh water too.
See?
Like this one.
Okay, you want this one? Take this. Okay? Happy?
Yes.
सारी शॉप को छोड़ के विल्दान को यहाँ पे कचरा पसंद आया. And this one?
Yes.
Yay!
It's a birthday.
Oopsie. Okay, we will get this one for your birthday.
Is there little baby candles?
Yes. Baby.
ओके गाइस, तो अभी हम लोग यहाँ पे गिफ्ट पैक कर रहे हैं. युस्रा यहाँ पे बैठी है और यहाँ ये युस्रा के गिफ्ट्स हैं, ये हमारे गिफ्ट्स हैं. ये अभी हम पैक करेंगे और जल्दी से विल्दान को जाके सरप्राइज करेंगे. अभी वो दूसरे रूम में है, मेहरान उसे होल्ड करके बैठे हुए, बिजी रख के बैठे हुए. जल्दी जल्दी से हम लोग पैक करते हैं. बर्थडे फील है उसको. बड़ा दिल चाह रहा था मेरा कोई बर्थडे करे. हम छोटा सा घर में एक क्यूट सा सेलिब्रेशन कर रहे हैं फॉर विल्दान टू मेक हिम हैप्पी. सो ये सारे गिफ्ट पेपर्स हैं. ये कैप्टन अमेरिका है जो विल्दान का आजकल बड़ा फेवरेट हुआ है. सो जल्दी से हम लोग पैक कर लेते हैं. रेम्बो क्या दे रहा है विल्दान को? रेम्बो, वेयर इज योर गिफ्ट? ये हम रेम्बो की तरफ से दे देंगे युस्रा. हाँ सही. ये रेम्बो की तरफ से दे देंगे. सही. ओके, लेट्स पैक द गिफ्ट. देखो सत्यानाश कर देगा. पैक नहीं करेगा, सत्यानाश करेगा. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Wildan. So ये मेरा देखेंगे कैसे गिफ्ट पैक हुआ है. कोई बात नहीं, ये वैसे भी फटना है यार. So गिफ्ट्स हमारे पैक हो चुके हैं और अब ये छुपने जा रहे हैं. मेरे सारे बाल खराब कर दिए इसने. रेम्बो कम. सारे भाई आज इसको बड़ी मस्ती चढ़ी हुई है. रेम्बो काट रहा है मुझे. रेम्बो इसके एक्चुअली से बाहर निकलने का रास्ता नहीं मिल रहा है मेरे
Give me the spray.
It's your birthday celebration time.
Thank you, Mama.
Huh?
Thank you, Mama.
For what?
For my birthday. Ah!
For your birthday?
Give me the
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy.
Mama, did you wrap the presents?
Hmm?
Are you wrapping the presents?
No. How do you know that?
See, why they're gone?
Wildan, you're too smart. You're too smart.
I see I'm missing. One,
2, 3. Okay.
no gifts for you.
We have got so many things. Now we will set up the.
And where are my presents?
Mama?
Mama, where's my fishing game and my gun set?
I don't know. I think it's gone. I think somebody took it away. Okay, come, let's set up the things.
Why didn't buy you anything? I'm sorry.
Let's set up the things. Happy birthday. Please, take care of yourself.
Can you do it?
Yes, we will do it.
Oh,
You
no.
sit and relax. It's your birthday.
You're 5 now, Wildan. Mashallah.
Oh God, mashallah. Well done, you're growing up so fast. Thum jao.
Mama, blow it. Yes, start the teamwork. Teamwork.
Yay! Hurry up, just give me any color.
Oh,
इसी में। क्या कहते हैं हम लोग? Give me.
अभी इतने सारे बलून है, ये सब फुलाते हुए
No.
अभी ये सारे तो फुलाते हुए नहीं दिखाऊंगे हमारे नहीं प्लीज। यार ये सारे डिफेक्टेड बलून्स हैं। सी ये सारे फटते जा रहे हैं।
यार ये क्या मैं लेकर आ गई हूँ?
विल्दान,
ये कुछ बच्चे हैं भाभी, इनको
संभाल
के हमें करना है।
आई गेस ये ज्यादा नहीं होंगे, है ना?
हाँ, कम रखो, बहुत है ये। It will burst.
What happened, Wildan? What happened? Everybody is disturbing you? So ये वाले वो बलून्स हैं, प्लीज ये मत लीजिएगा। ये 125 का हमने लिया था, वैसे 125 बेबी।
Don't get this one.
Yes, don't get this one. These are very bad. ये सब समझता है और समझाता भी। अभी क्या कह रहा था?
लोग ना टीम वर्क कर रहे हैं बेसिकली। तो विल्दान मुझे बलून्स दे रहा है, मैं पंप से फुला रही हूँ, भाभी बांध रही हैं। तो कह रहा है आई एम द गिवर, पुप्पो इज अ ब्लोअर और मम्मा इज अ टायर।
My baby is a grown-up baby now.
5 साल का हो गया, मेरा बच्चा ना बड़ा हो गया।
He knows everything. My baby knows everything.
Can we open it?
Can you still remember the day he was born? जब हमें पता चला था, जब आप ऑस्ट्रेलिया में थी और एकदम से बताया था, मैं इतनी बड़ी बड़ी जंपे नीचे।
Actually, ये स्टोरी उसका हर बर्थडे पे सुनाती है। पर नहीं, वाकई ऑब्वियसली सब बहुत खुश हो गए थे ये न्यूज़ सुन के। It is done.
ये फटा हुआ नहीं है।
My favorite on 5.
On 5.
चमकीला भड़कता हुआ 5.
Up, stand.
Starts with
Happy birthday.
Wait, I will tell you. First, put here.
Okay. Good.
हैप्पी में 2 ही कब से आ गया?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yay!
I'm 5 years old. I would have lost my presents.
No, we have your presents.
Where?
Who said it?
It's hidden. Go take pictures, then I will show you. Go.
Maybe I might have bought something for you too.
Are putting balloons and Wildan is what?
What?
No.
Okay.
Okay. Oh. Stand.
We will have party tonight. What?
Okay, pictures okay इसकी.
What?
Current camera.
You stealing the cake?
I think we'll dance cake.
Huh? I got a thief. A cake thief.
I'm a cake man.
Oh my God! What
Hey,
you
hey,
just
hey.
did? What you just did?
No, Baba.
Okay, presents.
Okay, come on.
Okay. Hurry up.
Bismillah. 1, 2, 3. Are you smiling?
Yeah.
Hey! That's good. 1, 2, 1, 2.
No, I'm 5.
You're fine. Mashallah. Nada? 500.
500. Now can blow it.
Very good.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Wildan. Happy birthday to you. You have many more, dear. Yay, dear Wildan. Happy birthday to you. Yay.
I want to name the present what is inside.
Wildan, your presents.
I think there's a superhero in there.
Yes.
And there's animals in this book.
एनिमल्स से नहीं निकलोगे तुम.
इतना बड़ा हो गया अभी तक एनिमल्स
अभी
चाहिए
तक एनिमल्स. और मैं खुश हो रही थी एनिमल्स से निकल चुका है अभी.
Oh my God! So many presents. Now can you take picture with me?
First we will take pictures with the presents and then we will.
It's empty box. It's empty box.
Drumming?
No, don't do it.
Is it something like that? When is it? It's a fishing game.
Oh my God! You're too smart, Wildan.
I'm opening it.
No.
1, 2,
Go stand there and
1,
count.
2, 3, 4, 5,
Come on,
6,
come on,
7,
hurry up.
9, 10,
Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up.
11, 12, 30, 40, 50.
What? It's too full? हाँ, विल्दान को पता है कि इनमें क्या क्या है.
Show me the camera.
Oh my God! What is
I
this?
don't know. Let me check it what is inside.
Okay, after.
Put it here and check. Put it here and check.
What?
Do you like it?
Yes,
What is that? What it is called, Wildan?
I don't know. It's going set.
No, this one is
Show me what is it? ये तो दिखाओ मुझे ये क्या है क्या? Okay. ये कुछ इस तरह का होगा. Okay. Balloon blower? Is it balloon blower?
इसमें
You can take it off. It's okay.
Dan shows a happy face and the excited face. and the sad face, and the angry face, and the curious face. We don't know about the curious one. Happy birthday face.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, birthday.
Happy.
That.
What? Is this your favorite one?
Yes.
Wait a moment. What is this?
I want to play.
ये क्या है? Fishing game.
I want to play. I like it.
You like it, but we have to buy batteries for it.
We will put tape on it.
Okay, so ये तहरीम ने
Can I
भी
spray
विल्दान
the cake? I'm getting sprayed.
not happy birthday to you.
Oh my God, what's this?
Okay, sorry.
Must be like drama.
He's not doing drama. He's not feeling well. Okay, eat. Sit and eat. We have got a surprise for Wildan.
And do it more. Do Papa.
No, it's your birthday.
Huh?
And
Yes.
then when I go back, you have to do on my bag. You are starting.
Like a snowball? Oh my God, it's so cold. Oh my God, so much snowball. यहाँ तो बर्फ हो रही है ये हमारा स्प्रे है ये हम है और यहाँ बर्फ हो रही है
And do it spinning.
Put them on your cheeks. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I know starting में थोड़ा सा intense था because विल्दान was not feeling well. अब अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह थोड़ा सा better है. ये कल की आपने फुटेज देखी थी जो आप विल्दान को हम हॉस्पिटल लेके गए थे. वापस आए हम लोग तो विल्दान बहुत ज़्यादा लेथार्जिक था तो हम लोगों ने केक नहीं कट किया. तो आज हम लोगों ने केक कट किया. इसलिए दुआएं कीजिएगा कि विल्दान जल्दी से ठीक हो जाए. If you guys are new, don't forget to subscribe my channel and click that bell icon so you guys can never miss a video, and also do follow me on Instagram. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.